Hello everyone, this is John. Today, this video will be an unboxing video because we will unbox a 2014 phone again. Okay, this is the box. This is the label they put on it in the shop. This is the front side of the box. We can see what the phone should look like, and I don't know if you see over here, this is the back of the phone. This is the right side of the box. This checkbox, I believe, shows the color of the device. I believe this in German it means white. And yes, here's another label here. This is the left side, and this is the top side of the box where you can see the IMEI number on the phone. A, B, and C. Yes, it seems to be copied 3 times. Yes, color is white. Here it shows the band, GSM, and more. Okay, this is the bottom of the box. Here you can see it's Phicomm, or maybe Phicomm, I'm not sure how it's pronounced. Phicomm i600. This is 4.3-inch screen. Again, the color white. Yes, here's the date, 3rd of February 2014, and here it's the 6th of February 2014, so maybe that's when it arrived at the shop or whatever, I'm not really sure. Okay, so this is the back of the box, and here you can see the specs in German and in English. So it's an Android 4.1 device. It has a 4.3-inch touchscreen. It has a dual-core 1.2 GHz processor, 512 megs of RAM. Did you hear that? Okay, 4 gigs of internal storage. Again, very little, but then it was considered okay, I believe. No, 512 megs of RAM was kind of low back then, but hey, this is 2014 after all. So it has a front camera which is 0.3 megapixels. If you stay at the end of the video, I will I will make a selfie showing telling you, goodbye. This is the rear camera, which is 5 megapixels. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a GPS. Very standard. I am Phicomm. I kind of like these graphics here. They go all the way to the back of the box. Okay, let's proceed into the actual unboxing of the device. This is the phone, and it has a really neat case. You should pull it out and you can use it. Okay, so leaving this to the side, we've got the quick start guide, and it seems that you have to read it, but nobody really does. So here's the USB cable here. It's a micro USB cable, it's not a USB-C. In 2014, leaving that aside, here's the actual battery of the Phicomm. It is just a minute. It is a 1700 milliamp hour battery. And then these are the headphones, which for some reason are black. So this was the unboxing, and let's boot this thing up and let me show you. Well, first we have to assemble the battery. Let me focus the camera. Okay, so I have included a SanDisk SD card, though I'm gonna take that out because in 2014 they didn't have SD cards. I mean, they didn't have so large SD cards, I believe. There's the battery, we can include it over here. Do I include a SIM? Maybe not. So they say that you have to charge the device before use. Well, let's do it then. I will unpack the USB cable and I'm gonna wire it. Yes, you wire it like this, on the contrary to modern smartphones where the port is somewhere down here and you use the back of it. So you wire it like this, and then I will... There seems to be no charging brick in the box, although this has been opened. I mean, let's get to charge it. I'm going to use my laptop's... I'm going to use my laptop's USB port. And now it is going to show the battery percentage, I believe. Yes. As you can see, it seems to have enough battery, so let's start it up. I'm going to unplug it until it boots. So the first boot will take a while, so I will pause the video until it boots. Okay, so it has finally booted up. And it is in German, although it's... Okay, so I have taken the phone off the shelf so that I can give you a close-up. So let's select English, and did you hear that, by the way? Let me... So obviously the phone creates sounds for touch. Let's click next here. It's gonna ask for internet settings, and we'll check out this graphic here. So I'm going to choose Wi-Fi only. Scheduled sync. Well, I'm going to manually sync the data. I'm going to click next. Use Google location. Location consent. Yes, I consent to that. And so we'll click next. Automatic date and time zone. Yes, 24-hour format. And choose date format. Yes. For some reason. Yes, okay. The date is not really correct here, but anyway. Let's click finish. Make yourself at home. You can put your favorite apps here. Okay. So I guess we will click OK on this. Choose some apps. To add an app to your home screen, I can touch and hold it. I'm gonna click OK on this, and let's actually add an application to the home screen the way they would teach us. Okay. So we added an app to the home screen. Now if I touch and hold, I can remove it. We can create some folders here. Yes. Yeah, organize with folders. So this is it. Let me just connect it again to the charge because I decided to remove it. And straight off the bat, for some reason, USB debugging is connected. So, this is the phone. Let's see what apps it has. And it has a very cute widget. So let's open the apps. It has a browser, which is the AOSP browser, I believe. It has an FM radio, something we don't see on new phones. It has a gallery, it has Gmail, though yet it has an email app, which is the AOSP mail, I believe. It has a LED flashlight. I believe this is a profile manager. Let's swipe to the other screen. It has the search app, settings, sound recorder, a stopwatch, a separate stopwatch app. Then it has the system updates. It has a video player and world clock. On the top here, we can see the Play Store icon. And it also has the widgets tab. Let's see what widgets it has. Which I believe was last seen somewhere in Android Gingerbread, maybe. Messaging, music, and some more widgets. A wide array of widgets, which is cool. It has lots of empty sheets, and it's just turn down the brightness a bit, maybe, because well, it's going to use up the battery a lot this way. Though maybe it's better for the camera, you know. This is the quick switch thing. I'm gonna turn off GPS, turn off Wi-Fi, and yeah, this is the notification interface. It seems a bit different. Maybe they have modified it. Yeah, you can actually switch off the phone from here, which is very cool. And you can also, I believe, yeah, you can shut it down from the menu, which is a very useful thing. Well, hey, these are physical buttons. These are not gestures or even buttons that you find in the Android, you know, floating buttons. They are physical buttons that you press, and something really satisfying there is in these buttons. Let's try out the camera. One thing that's very useful for this camera is that it makes the brightness to the highest level. Let's just unplug it here. So it saves the images as JPEGs and the panoramas as well, and the videos in the 3GP format. Hey everyone, this is a video taken on this Phicomm i600 device, and it is, well, awful. I mean, this is the selfie camera. Let's try the main one. This is a video taken on my device. Okay, so tapping the phone actually allows you to save a picture. Let me get some close-up objects to see. Can it go close? Well, not very, I can say. As you can see, well, this video is... Let's try the zoom. Alright everyone, this is an evening selfie video I'm trying to make, and well, I'm gonna go closer to the light bulb so that you can actually see me and get subscribed. I will see you in the next one. Oh my. Oh, is this actually better quality? Oh my, this is my laptop's webcam in the evening. Get subscribed.